Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back. And it's about 8:30, 8:33 in the morning down here at my little pond. I got a couple hours to fish, so I figured I'd run down here real quick and see if I can get on a few fish. It's a really nice day. It's 60 some degrees right now. Feels pretty good. Sun's up. Pond looks pretty good, and hopefully we can get on some fish, so stay tuned. Hopefully we'll catch a few for you guys and make a fun little video. So let's see what's gonna happen. All right, everybody, first thing I think I'm gonna chuck around is this little crankbait I got tied on. Just to kind of see if we can find anything. All right, guys, I switched out to a shad 6 cents crankbait. This is a little bit shallower diamond one too as well. I just threw into the cattails. It's not good. All right, guys, I'm throwing a ripstop jerkbait. With a sticker of fish. Oh, I got one. Got one. Didn't even... Jerkbait. Sweet. All right, first one of the day right there. All right, guys, got the first one. Got him on that ripstop right there. Yeah, he wasn't going nowhere. Not a big guy, but we'll take him. Pretty fish. All right, everybody, nice little bass. Pretty sweet little catch to you, bud. All right, cool. All right, guys, everybody, I got him on this Rapala ripstop. I really like this bait. Super nice. It's got that little ripstop stop, so it stops it after you jerk it. It gives a really good action. This is in the shad pattern. Super nice bait, and yep, that's what we got him on. There's one. He's coming, wherever he is. He's a gill. We got him. All right, up, easy. Easy, bud. All right, we'll take you. As he's peeing all over me. Nice bluegill, good size. Let's I'll take that. Alright guys, really nice bluegill. Got him on the Eurobait. See you, bud. Thanks for the bite. Alright guys, got him on my little Eurobait lipless. I love throwing this little thing. Definitely produces some fish when the fish are biting. Alright, back to the Kitech swim bait. We can chuck right there. Right on the bank. Maybe something. Oh, something's grabbing it. Something's on it. Oh crap, my reel's all tangled up. He's gone with it. Oh no. This is bad. I had a fish. I had it and dropped it. Dang it. Ugh. This is a mess too. That sucked. You see all that? I just lost a fish because of this mess. Trying to deal with a backlash. Fish took off of my bait. Let it go. That sucks. He was on it. Like Donkey Kong too. He had it. That was a bummer. That was such a good cast, and there's a fish on it, and I keep getting backlashes, and backlash got wrapped around my dang reel. I lost the fish. Alright, let's throw the baby lipless. The wind's picking up, so doesn't feel like a bad one either. He's a little bit better. Baby lipless. He's all flaring out on me right now. Man, he's dark. He's skinny as crap. He was in the mud too. Look, see that mud on him? He's in the mud, but sweet. All right, guys, number 3. He's a skinny little guy. Go get some groceries, bud. Get bigger. He's out of here. All right, guys, caught him on the Eurobait. Little Eurobait right there. Like I said, I love this little bait, and it definitely produces fish. Guys, we're gonna throw this new little Z-Man bait that I got. The goat. It's called the goat. Let's see if I can make it out of that island. Not quite, but throwing the baby goat. Tell those fish or weeds. When in doubt, yank it. That is the rule. When in doubt, swing. That's definitely the rule. There's one. Oh, good jump. Come here. Baby goat. Like I said, when in doubt, swing. When in doubt, swing. Feel it, guys. Right in the top of the lip. I want to actually get a picture of him with that in his mouth. Alright guys, another nice little bass. Nothing big, but we'll take him. Pretty bass though. Look at those colors on him. He's pretty. See you, bud. He's off. Alright, I got him. This is the new baby goat that Zman has. This is 1/15 ounce jig head. The new baby goat, and this is in Canada crawl color. It's a little bit darker on top and got sparkles on the bottom. And these nifty little paddle tails. And yeah, he tagged that right out the gate, so that's awesome. There's one. Euro bait. This is a bigger one. Oh, that's in here. We'll take that, but we're gonna get some pliers. I like my fingers too much. Pliers, pliers. Oh no. Look at that boy, he engulfed that thing. He said bloop and inhaled that. One hook left. Alright, we got him. Not a bad looking little bass. Alright guys, let's get him back because he is bleeding a little bit. Don't like it when that happens, but a pretty little bass. See you, bud. He's off. Check it out guys, baby geese. Mama and their baby geese. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's got 6 little ones. That's so cool. So cool. The kiddos. They're so cute. Alright, back to fishing. Well guys, I switched out to a bigger lipless since that little lipless is getting me some smaller bass. I figured I'd throw a bigger lipless and see if I can get some bigger bass. It's kind of the thought process behind that. Lipless that I got right here. This is probably my favorite lipless crank I got. I need to get a few more of them because this is the last one I got like this. There's one. Ooh, what a jump. Well, I'll take that. Easy, bud, easy. All right. Well, I would say that that was a success. He's not big, but he's fatter anyway. We'll take that. Nice little bass. See you, bud. He's off. All right, I don't know how many I've caught, but what's that, 5? I'll take it. All right, everybody, on lipless crank. Love these baits. And like I was telling you guys in my last video, this is one of my favorite year-round baits to throw. On a day like today where the wind keeps picking up and whipping and stuff, crankbait or lipless is the way to go. They weren't biting the crankbait, so I switched to this lipless right here, and been throwing that little small Euro-based lipless, and that's catching me fish. That seems to be the pattern that I'm on right now. Finally figured something out. So we're just gonna keep going at it, and hopefully we can get a few more. It is windy, but we are fishing. Man, the wind has picked up like nobody's business. It's definitely kicking. Oh, there's a bass. This is actually there's one. The baby goat. Got him on the baby goat again. All right. Baby goat. I'll take you all day long. Not a bad little bass. All right, guys, nothing big. Pretty bass, though. Pretty bass. Love them, love them, love them. I'll take them. All right, get out of here. All right, got him on the baby goat. This is the new Z-Man jig head they came out with as well. And I really like it a lot because I like the way it rigs baits and makes them more weedless. And I can't complain. We're catching fish. A little bit better. A little bit. Easy, bud, easy. Oh, he's off. Hold on, dude. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Relax, 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 relax. We got him. Got a little bit on the dirty side, but we got him. All right, lipless crank. Got him. All right, guys, nothing big, but another nice little bass. We'll take it. See you, bud. He's off. All right, just throwing this shad pattern lipless. Love it, love it, love it. All right, everybody, I am back home. Not a bad little morning of fishing. It started off a little rough. I wasn't sure how well it was going to go. I caught that one fish on a jerkbait and then nothing else on the jerkbait. Had a couple bites on the Hog Z. Didn't connect. Had a couple bites on the hula stick. Didn't connect. Changed up some things. Put on that new little Z-Man bait. God, I can't remember what it's called now. Anyway, I said it in the video a couple times. I can't remember what it's called, but I put on that little Z-Man bait, that new one they came out with, and that one caught me a couple fish. And then lipless cranks. I was throwing a micro lipless and then a regular lipless, and that seemed to be what they wanted. That kind of turned out to be the pattern. and I caught a few fish. Nothing big, but just fun. I mean, just a fun morning of fishing. And you know, honestly, I'm glad I actually chose not to go out on the water today, because as windy as it was, it would have been just a train wreck. And so I'm glad I just decided to fish at the pond. And I caught a few fish, had fun, and just like I said in my last video, I'm basically throwing my go-to baits that I really like to throw, which was connecting with the fish. So that works really well, and that shows you that you can fish stuff like that in ponds as well as bigger bodies of water, which is really nice. Man, I really wish I could remember the name of that bait right now. It's the goat. There you go. So was using the Goat Z. That's what it's called, the Goat Z. I don't know why I can't remember that, but anyway, so not a bad little morning of fishing. I fished for a couple hours, and I don't know, what I catch, 5 or 6 fish, all bass except for one bluegill. It was really pretty bluegill, and I lost that one fish there at the end on that little lipless, the micro lipless, but still, all in all, it was fun. It's always great just to get your line tugged. I don't care if they're big or small, as long as I'm catching fish, I'm happy. And just, you know, ended up enjoying it. This year has been tough for me fishing with the way things have been going with COVID-19 and my kids' school schedule and stuff. I'm just not able to get out like I was the past few years. Hopefully that's going to change. I'm trying to work on some things to where that will change, but we'll see. I'm going to do the best I can for you guys and just keep fishing wherever I can fish and keep trying to catch fish and keep making videos. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, ding dong button, all those things you got to do for YouTube, because that really helps my channel out. And just do yourself a favor, get out there, get your lines wet, and catch some fish.